At this point, our operator is confident they know exactly what's gone wrong here, so they now want to go and try and mitigate the issue. So what they do is they now head back over to the event viewer and check to see if there's any runbooks available to help them fix this as fast as possible. Luckily, they see that there is a runbook assigned to that issue that was on the ASM worker node, what we deem to be the root cause. So what they do is they right-click the event and they choose to launch into the runbook. The first thing they notice on this page is there has been a parameter filled in for them automatically. The node name parameter has been taken from the event and it's already been filled in to be ASM demo worker 2, which is where that network issue happened. So they don't have to go and try and copy and paste that from the event themselves. They now click the button to start running through the runbook, and they're given some step-by-step steps on how to try and resolve this issue. Firstly, they are guided to click this button to find out some information about the node that has that problem, has that network issue. When they click this, in the background, Netcool Operations Insight will connect to the server by SSH, run that command, and return the output to the operator, as we can see here. As you can notice, they didn't have to go log into the system themselves. They didn't have to do any error-prone copy or pasting. This all happened in context of the runbook. So they head to the next step and see what they need to do next in order to resolve this issue. The next set of steps makes use of the integration with Ansible Tower. What this is doing behind the scenes as they click this button is it's running an Ansible playbook to cordon off that worker node and move all of the workloads that were running on it to different nodes to mitigate that issue and prevent any further loss of service. After the operator has finished running through these steps, they're asked to rate the runbook, leave a comment, and also say whether it worked or not. And this provides great feedback to the rest of the team to understand exactly how successful these runbooks are. For the most successful runbooks, these are great candidates for making automated. And if you make a runbook automated, we can trigger that based on events before an operator even has to see them. And those same commands that we just saw executed by our operator will be run automatically in the background. For those runbooks that aren't so well performing and operators aren't rating as highly, those are good candidates for having a little look at them to see if we can improve the instructions. Thanks to the tools and analytics provided by Netcool Operations Insight, our operator was able to resolve the issue as quickly as possible and get all the context they needed to understand what happened.